Oh, did it get it? I don't know. Wow, okay, this is cool. So, hi. I'm kind of bored. Okay. Here's Chad, say hi. Ah!
Oh, I'm holding this.
You almost killed it. Why won't you say hi? You're such a dork. He's camera shy. But it's okay. Oh, I should change this. Oh, okay. No, stop it! Okay. He's blowing bubbles at me because, ow, that's cold. And he got bubbles all over me and on the keyboard and everywhere else. Ew!
That wasn't bubble.
Ew, that's gross. Anyway. So, Laura's at a baseball game right now, and stop it! And, yeah. That was a bubble. Anyway, he almost knocked my guitar down, so if he did, then I'd kill him. More bubbles. Oh, there it is. Haha. Anyway, I have youth group in a while. In a bit. My friends. Sam's gonna pick me up. You're getting bubbles on the screen!
That's what I'm doing.
No! Okay. So, that's all I gotta say for now. Yeah, it's not working. You look cross-eyed. Oh, you can't see his
You might
head.
want to put the keyboard in.
You can't see his head.
You might want to put the keyboard in.
Say hi!
You might want to put the
Say
keyboard
hi!
in.
Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! You should say hi. Say hi. Say hi! Say hi. More bubbles. No, this one. Peace out. See you tomorrow, I guess. Right here. You want to say hi now? Say hi.
No, I'm trying to put the bubbles in the screen.
Why? Oh, it's in the way. Say hi. See? There you go. Okay. Mission accomplished. Ew! That's so gross!